Hey guys, what is up? So I decided to build a tiny house. I have a 20-foot bread truck laying around. It's got a straight 6 Ford in it with an automatic transmission. Stopped running a long time ago. That straight 6 just eventually gave out. It's been sitting in storage for years, and I said I gotta build that into a tiny house. So I started doing some research, and it turns out people build tiny houses out of recycled pallets. And that's exactly my plan with this one. I'm trying to keep it as cheap as possible, hence why the pallets, you can get them free on like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Let Go, OfferUp, all those apps. This was previously insulated and had plywood thrown over that, and it's been like that for about 10 years. I really need to run electrical and some water through the walls, so I actually gutted the entire thing, took all the insulation out, and I've actually been working on it. I got one wall back up with some plugs in it. I built this wall here. This is a pocket door wall. It's going to be as my front door. So I'm going to have like a couch here, the bathroom over there, the kitchen right there, and then entertainment center right here. I've already started on it. I've got the pocket door pretty much done. I have to finish the rest of that wall, but before I do that, I need to install some water lines, and that side's electric. Alright, so let's jump in the video, and you guys can watch me build this wall behind me and throw up some insulation. You might notice I'm wearing different clothes. It's been filmed different days. Don't question it. Alright? Just shh, go along with it. Shh. Wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here, so you get a little bit closer of a look. Alright, so I went ahead and got it tacked up here. Alright, coming down here to the track, you guys can see I did a good weld on one side. We just did spots. Now obviously I'm going to clean those up because you're going to see those when the door opens. Look at that, I forgot one. Mostly done with the wood. So I have right here is the 30-inch door gap for the pocket door. It's going to slide in here on this side of the wall. I'm going to put some foam insulation here and close it up with plywood. Be nice, sturdy, and heat efficient. On this side I actually do have the insulation all strung up, and I do have electrical running going up, over, down. There's a plug there. There's a plug there. It's gonna go down under the subfloor, come up, go into the kitchen, then it's gonna go back down into the subfloor, and I'll have a breaker panel somewhere there. I'm gonna be doing this side with pallet board, so it'll be all nice and pretty, and then I'll stain it as well. But I got some plywood for this side of the wall and some more for the floor. So right now we're gonna be putting a sheet of plywood up there and another sheet there. So it's coming together. Box for the bathroom. I got a box for above my bed here. I managed to get the interior pocket door wall done. This is what it looks like from the outside. I have a little porch light up there, but yeah. All these little gaps you see are going to be filled by the pallet wood, so that's what's really going to fill all the gaps and make it look pretty. So I have to figure out something for the window for the kitchen, and then I can't really do that backboard or the floor until I get PEX lines for water. So I need to figure out lights, but for now I'm just using this 4-foot fluorescent. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you see, let me know by leaving a like, a comment down below. If you want to follow this tiny house build, click that little subscribe button. It'll leave you notifications anytime I upload a new video. And yeah, it's really coming along. I can't wait until it's done. Don't forget to go follow my Facebook page, Oneils Garage. Keep up with live updates, videos, and some crazy weird things like tearing my bumper off and strapping it to the roof of my car. If you have any questions, I have a contact email in the description down below. I'll see you guys next time.